move this box. I took out the box when I moved the attic ladder, and I said when I moved that one, I had to cut these because they wouldn't come out. If you just pull them, they won't come out. And then somebody commented and said, all you have to do is grab it and pull and wiggle at the same time. And there we go. I'm going to be sure not to use that piece. Then I'll actually be able to return these lights. Save some money for all my mistakes. I shouldn't say mistakes. My decision making, my indecisiveness.